Hi everyone! In this video of phrasal verbs, we will be focusing on 6 new phrasal verbs from the book, Phrasal Verbs with Pictures. We will analyze their meanings, make some sentences, do some exercises, and lastly, watch some movie scenes where these phrasal verbs are used. Before we start, please remember that this video comes with subtitles in many languages, and yours can be one of them. You can go to the setting and activate subtitles anytime you want. So, if you're ready, sit back and enjoy the class. All right, well, here is a list of today's phrasal verbs. Cling on, close in, close up, come across, come along, come apart. Let's get started with the first one. Cling on means to hold tight. Holding tight can be in the form of grasping, sticking, embracing, or even emotionally. Here's a sample sentence. Some of the old people cling on to their old way of thinking. Close in has 2 similar meanings. The first one is to surround. If a group of people close in on a person or place, they come nearer and nearer to them and gradually surround them. For example, hundreds of police officers were closing in on the suspects. Its second meaning is to approach. Okay, cool. Let's take a look at this sentence. We had better hurry. The deadline is closing in. Close up also has 2 meanings. The first one is to close something completely. That something can be a door, an oven, a gap, or even a wound, as in this example. The doctor closed up the cut with stitches. Its second meaning is very similar to the first one, to seal something that is open. If someone closes up a building, they shut it completely and securely, often because they are going away or for some other reason. Let's have a look at its example in the book. Take my advice and don't get into that business. You may have to close it up shortly. Come across means to find or see something or someone by accident. In other words, if you come across something or someone, you find them or meet them by chance. Let's make a sentence with it. As I was passing by the park, I came across a group of children playing. Come along has 2 different meanings. The first one is to accompany someone. If you come along with someone, you go to a particular location or gathering with that person. Let's give an example. Feel free to come along with your sister tonight. We'd all love to see you. Its second meaning is to improve or develop. If something is coming along, it is developing or making progress. Look at this example. The Pentagon spokesperson says talks are coming along quite well. Come apart means to break into small pieces. If something comes apart, it disassembles into smaller pieces or components, but usually unintentionally. Here comes an example. Hold that mechanism carefully so it doesn't come apart. And here is a quick summary. Cling on, to hold tight. Close in, to surround. To approach. Close up, to close something completely. To seal something that is open. Come across. To find or see something or someone by accident. come along, to accompany someone, to improve or develop, come apart, to break into small pieces. Okay, cool. Now that we are done with all 6 phrasal verbs in this unit, it's time to do some exercises. We are going to solve one of each 4 different types of exercises in the book. Multiple choice, fill in the blanks, synonym, and translation. Great! Let's get started. Your answers to these exercises go in the comments. So, how about seeing these phrasal verbs in action? Wouldn't it be awesome to see people use them in actual dialogues? Well, I do think so, and that's why I compiled scenes from different films where they are used firsthand. So, with no further ado, let's get on with it.
You're still clinging to your faith in that old woman, when all she does is lie to you.
She never lied to me.
Can't you see that? The krypton you're clinging onto is gone.
Ship, have you managed to quarantine this invasive intelligence?
The human race is going to be adrift, desperate for a rock it can cling to while it catches its breath. We need to find that rock.
We've been detected! The walls! They're closing in! Quick, help me prop up Vegetable Man or we're done for!
Saracen cavalry. They're coming to close Reynolds in. These people are not safe outside the walls.
Did you even read the contract? Anderson makes her move. She's closing in.
Hey! Oh, no, you're
She's
not.
lining up for the shot.
Coming behind you.
We need some security. Yes, it's your responsibility.
They're over the walls. We should all split. I'm gonna close up my office.
Go ahead and close this up. What was it like to kill a man? You don't want to know. I'll close it up.
Just closing up, fellas.
We're dealing with a very effective weapon system that we have not come across before. But our prayers are with the families of the brave men and women.
You must be moving right along. Yeah, we'll come across them tomorrow, I reckon. Ever notice how you come across somebody once in a while that you shouldn't have f***ed with? That's me.
I was wondering if you...
If I happen to come across anything in the Capone library stuffed in a drawer or a book, yes, I'll call you at once.
Thank you.
Are you coming along? Mama said not to be taking rides from strangers. This is a busted school.
Brute, you come along with me. You fellas go on back to your cribbage game.
That was pretty impressive. I would have been screwed if you hadn't come along. It was...
How's your wedding coming along?
Great. Great, she's a doctor.
How you liking first base, man?
It's coming along, picking it up. You know.
Right left! I'm hit! I'm hit! We're coming apart! I can't control it! 090 for 20, we're going down!
We were a family. Had to break up and come apart.
All right.
Take it easy, it might come apart.
Okay, if you want to see all these phrasal verbs in their unique drawings and do many more of these exercises, you can always go ahead and buy the book by using the links in the descriptions. The book is also offered as a mobile app, so you can have it wherever you are on Earth. If you need some more information about the book, please check out the introduction video. Back over there. Yeah, up there, back there. Got it. Oh, and don't forget to click on the like button if you like this video. Bye!